guys, it's Megan and it is almost Halloween, hence all of this. If you guys want to see me recreate Ann Wheeler's character from The Greatest Showman, which was played by Zendaya, keep on watching. Diving right into our eye look, I'm going in with our Blush Book 4, and I'm going to use all over the lid. I'm going in with Spirit Finger. I'm going to use the shade Pop Quiz and Secret Crush on the outer corner and crease, and I'm going to use Love You Like a Sister to add dimension all over the crease. Now that we've got that shade Spirit Finger all over the lid, I'm gonna go in with, that's a lash. I'm gonna go in with the shade Love You Like a Sister in the crease. I'm gonna add dimension to the crease with Secret Crush and Pop Quiz. Taking our chrome paint shadow pot in the shade Froze, and we're just gonna pop this all over the lid. Going back in with the shade Pop Quiz, and I'm just gonna buff that under my lower lash line. For eyeliner, I'm going in with our Tarte Double Take in the brown shade. To prep my lashes for falsies, I'm going in with our Tarte Lash Paint. Going in with our new vegan, cruelty-free, and latex-free lashes, and this is my favorite style, Glamazon. Now that our eyes are done, let's move on to cheeks and the rest of our face. So I'm going, you guessed it, back into our blush book, and I'm going in with Love You Like a Sister on the whole part of my cheek, and then just on the apples, I'm gonna go with Secret Crush. For bronzer, I'm going in with our Hotel Heiress Waterproof Bronzer to get those nice chiseled cheekbones. I'm going back into the blush book, and I'm going to use the highlighting shade Extra Credit on my cheeks, my nose, my cupid's bow, and anywhere else I decided that I want to put highlighter today. Ain't nothing wrong with a little glam stash. For our lip, I'm going in with our Tarte Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint in the shade that you guys all should know that I wear every single time. Obsessed. Alright guys, this is the final look. What do you think? This is an Amazon Prime wig that I went ahead and colored with some Halloween drugstore paint just to kind of make it a little bit darker in places so I could blend my hair with it. She's fun, she's pink, she extra. Alright guys, so please in the comments below leave what you want to see me do next, any Halloween costumes that you guys want to be, or any Halloween ideas that you want to see me recreate. And I'll see you next time.